Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, Miss Tiana Ristiana, Master of Education, and all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ririsner Octaviani, usually called Riris. I am 27 years old. My current job is an honorary teacher and private tutor for reading and mathematics. My home address in Karangduet, RT 21 RW 4, Karangduet, Palian, Gunung Kidul. My hobbies, cycling and cooking. My ethnicity is Javanese. I am the first child of 3 siblings. My height is 160. My weight is 62 kilograms. My ambition is to be able to become an educator who is able to build the national generation into individuals who are ready to compete in the future. That is a brief introduction from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.